So sa video ito ay pag-uusapan natin at igagay ko kayo on how to find loans, billing details, and overview in Connect to Card app. So ang next step ay kailangan lang natin mag-login dito sa ating Connect to Cards app. So i-click mo lang. So dito sa pag-login ng ating Connect to Card app, so mayroon naman ditong dalawang option na pwede natin gawin. So either mag-login ka with a password or mag-login ka with biometrics. So since activated na yung ating biometrics, so gagamitin natin dito yung login with biometrics and then i-click mo lang. So authentications required, verify identity, scan your fingerprint dito lang sa ating mobile screen para ma-access natin agad. Ayan. So makikita nyo dito na napakabilis lang talaga na ma-open yung ating or ma-access yung ating Connect to Card account kapag gamit natin yung biometric. Kung paano ba natin ma-view yung ating loans or insurance details? So dito lang sa ating Connect to Card app homepage and then kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung loans. Ayan. So once clinic mo yung loans ay makikita mo kaagad dito yung my billing details. So dito naman sa taas makikita mo dito yung kanyang iba pang features pero hindi pa yan available. Kapag clinic mo dito yung express loan, so this feature is not yet available. Same naman dito sa microfinance and then yung buy now pay later, hindi pa yan available. So inaayos pa lang. So since may ongoing tayo na loans and then family insurance, so makikita mo na dito yung kanyang details. So nandito naman yung savings, insurance, and then yung loans na babayaran mo. Alright? And then pwede mo naman itong bayaran dito. So itap mo lang dito yung Pay Now and then i-follow mo lang yung prompt instructions dito lang sa ating mobile screen. So gagamitin mo lang yung savings account mo dito sa Connect to Card. Okay, and then next step, pwede mo naman itong i-view yung kanyang active loans overview. I-click mo lang. And then, so makita mo na dito yung ating binabayaran na family insurance. O ito yung kagandahan talaga kay Connect to Card dahil maraming klaseng insurance and loans yung pwede natin ma-avail dito kapag ikaw ay member po yan. So nandito yung ating principal loan and then outstanding balance, amount due natin. So, date release, makita mo naman dito yung details, maturity date. So, next year pa ito matatapos kasi 1 year ito. And then yung loan account natin dito. Ayan. So, napakasimple lang talaga kung paano natin hanapin or makita yung details natin about sa loans and insurance dito sa bagong Connect to Card app.